How to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So if you want to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance, this video is for you. Now open up now your Binance app. Now go ahead now and copy the Solana address in Binance. After you open Binance like this now, go and tap on this asset button. Go to deposit. Go to search and search for Sol. Select Sol. So from this option now, select Solana network. Tap on this OK. So now copy the address of the Solana from Binance. Now go back to your Phantom wallet. After you open Phantom wallet like this now, go ahead and tap on this send button. So from this option now, select Solana. After you select the Solana, now type in the address that you copy in this option. Now tap on this option and type in the address. Here is the address. So after you type in the address like this now, just tap on this next button. So from this, as you can see now just type in the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. So I will just, let's say, type in 0.5. So for now, I don't have any amount of Solana in my Phantom wallet. That's why it's just giving me insufficient balance. So from there, if you have Solana in your Phantom wallet, after you type in the amount, just tap on this next button. From there, to allow you to transfer Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance.